I'm called Lucia Court Ngasa. My senior school was Omindo Primary. Now I'm learning at Turanga Secondary School. My family, I have my mother and father. We are 3 sisters and 3 brothers. My favorite subject is mathematics and chemistry. I applied for the scholarship because if I were not to get this scholarship, I will not continue with my education. It is important for us to go to school because nowadays the earth has changed, and nowadays even if you see people who are not going to school, they're the people who normally become like thieves, and after engaging in stealing things from people, you can find yourself difficult somehow. Regards to us, we have most challenges when we are going to school. One of them is that some girls normally have some challenges in life, like you may find that there's somebody outside disturbing her so that she cannot continue with the higher education. Secondly, you might find that there are some things that normally make girls not to go to school. For example, the parents, they normally think that educating boys is better than educating girls. I went to the doctor because that is my